If anything happens to us.
Nothing is happening to you.
Fine. I'll be the bad guy.
You have no idea what you're dealing with.
Shakespeare in the Park? Doth mother know you weareth her drapes?
This usually works.
All performance issues.
And there's one other person you pissed off.
No, this is where you zip it! Alright, the adult is talking. No, this is where you zip it! Alright, the adult is talking.
Power at 400% capacity.
How about that?
Bit slow on the draw there.
Or just in time.
Nothing.
I see yourself, sir.
What do you think?
Myself.
Nothing.
I see yourself, sir.
What do you think?
Myself.
Take him out! People fell in line behind the flame. Another fell in line behind the sword. Let me know when the eye is down. Long live the king. We have to hope Singera.
Who do you imagine wants to attack children like yourself?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe Lord Voldemort.
Remember me? Klaus Michelson! Your maker.
Nigga, I'm buzzing, take my trees, nigga, I'm down. Take my trees, nigga, it's nothing. One of these chicks is taking me high. Nigga, I'm buzzing, take my trees, nigga, I'm down. Take my trees, nigga, it's nothing. One of these chicks is taking me high.
Get on your knees with your hands in the air. You bitch!
Callie? Reno? You guys are nuts. Look at me. Look at me.
I got a nice whip, nice bitch, nice house.
You've been here 3 days, alright? I've been here 3 years. Yeah, you've been here 3 years and you're still here, Callie. Alright, so what does that tell you? Maybe you should start doing things a little differently.
Yeah, money, 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 money. That's all I ever but I swear it isn't funny.
Don't lie to me!
Let's rip when it lit up with a hot round. Pop out, click, clap, and shit whack. Everywhere I go, I always got a thick stack. Lil' Win next
Welcome
to me,
back,
don't
you ugly
remember me.
shank.
If you don't like me, then I guess you're not my enemy.
There's still something missing inside you. Death and despair hover around you like a shroud, a consequence of your selfish love.
Please tell me again how it's better not to love.
Love is not the problem. It's how you love that is.
At least Clark was saving her own people. You were just saving her own ass.
What's wrong with a little chaos?
Shut up. Whatever the hell we want. Damn right. What's wrong with a little chaos? Shut up. Shut up. Whatever the hell we want. Damn right.
Perhaps I was wrong.
It wouldn't be the first time.
Revenge is not the Jedi way.
I know Jedi.
A nigga chopped up on a Tuesday. Why the club going up on a Tuesday? This is doomsday. I can have Guadalupe come through and knock Donald Trump out his toupee. Now look at his brains all on the sidewalk. He tucked for 38 and jumped on my Skywalker. Woo! I'm rolling. Shotgun Claudia Ochoa. I am only nigga walking through Sinaloa with the blood red Chuck Taylors on, and you know when I show up it's a squad full of killer squad full of hit a squad full of niggas that'll pull up, let it bark on a nigga. 106 shots park on a nigga. Street sweeper with the whole block up, nose arc on a nigga. Got 2 Glock 9s, 2 45s, 2 Desert Eagles, and they fly together side by side. No ego conmigo, tú sabes amigo. No.
Down, down, show me a piece of your heart, a piece of your love. I'm calling you up to get down, down. Show me a piece of your heart, a piece of your love. I'm calling you up to get down, down, down. The way that we touch is never enough.
You're the beloved. You will be granted your freedom.
There's only one freedom. Let me grant you yours. You're the first mortal to ever see God's true form and live to tell the tale, and that is no big deal. You're the first mortal to ever see God's true form and live to tell the tale, and that is no big deal.
So have you got the goods?
Did I leave the stove on?
Oh, that's catch a nicotine buzz. Minimum effort, living no bugs. Take my advice, never trust no sus. Blood stains on the vans. I'm just trying to take what I can.
Yeah. I think I am the son of Poseidon. Show some respect. You bald-headed freak. Show some respect. You bald-headed freak. Well, I wouldn't worry about that. You won't be going home. I'd rather chop off my own foot. Shit. I'd rather chop off my own foot.
Set myself free.
You know what I think? I think you're a fucking faggot just like your daddy.
I was in the 212, I'm the uptown A nigga, you know what's up or don't you? Word of who made ya? I'm a rude bitch nigga, what are you made up of? I'ma eat your food up, boo, I could bust your 8, I'ma do one too, fuck it, gun do. When you do make bucks, I'ma look right, nigga, bet you do one too, fuck. Fuck 'em like you do one too, come, you gotta get discovered, I'm a 2.
And I'm sorry, I did not quite catch your name.
Oh. I dumped your ass.
Not to men like you.
There are no men like me.
Hätte die gekke
tiene más peligro decirme que no que decirme que sí.